If you want to quickly access all the admin features from a single window in Windows 10, then you need to enable the God Mode feature. It's not a cheat sheet or something that unlocks secret or extra features in Windows 10. It's just a simple interface that you can access all the admin tools from, such as printer scanners, backup and restore, file explorer, fonts, firewall options, user accounts, sound, security, and etc. You just need to copy that folder name here. I'll just post it in the description in the video, and you just need to create a new folder and just paste this folder name. And here you go. When you double click on that newly created folder, you will have access to all the administrative tools in Windows in just a simple interface.